Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atle Pinke, and first of all, Happy New Year to all of you. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the strong start of Bitcoin in this year, and obviously the possibility of Bitcoin Spot ETF approval maybe already this week. The second thing I would like to talk about is the catalysts in this year for Bitcoin, and the third thing is all about a new crypto hack. This time Orbit chain exploit was what happened, so I'm going to talk about that as well. And guys, don't forget, every single day I bring you the fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain related news here on Blockchain Bloom. So if you would like to keep yourself up to date in 2024, simply just subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the like button if you like this kind of content, and now let's do it. Okay, for start, let's have a look at the market, which looks pretty green today. In the last 24 hours, almost 7% up. Bitcoin, which makes Bitcoin price at the moment $45,634. Ethereum, about 5% up. $2,411 right now. The top gainers say 24% up. Astra 21% up, almost 22. Mina 18%. And look, couple of double digits. Crypto performing pretty well today. And among the losers, we have Bitcoin SV down about 6%, Helium 5%, and a Maker 4%. And now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is all about Bitcoin price, which hit the highest since April 2022. So we haven't seen Bitcoin on this level in the last 21 months. So let's have a look at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, and we can see that the Bitcoin today went all the way up to $45,925. So almost 46,000 US dollar, and maybe today it's going to reach it. This is just in the time when I'm making this video. So obviously we had this symmetric triangle here, and that was the sideways movement, and the volume started to go down, and then probably what usually happens, there is a breakout here sooner or later as this is getting narrower and narrower. And it did happen actually yesterday in the late hours. And today in the early morning, it just continued. And because Bitcoin went up and reached a new high, obviously this year, because we are just on the 2nd of January, so we haven't been here for long. But actually, this is the highest in the last 21 months. And the reason for is pretty much is the Bitcoin Spot ETF approval possibility by the SEC coming likely this week. And yes, look, Bitcoin starts 2024 with 160% higher than a year ago. So we can see when we conclude that overall 2023 was a great year in crypto. A great year because Bitcoin went up quite nicely, and also altcoins started to go up, and the halving is really just coming in this year. And usually after the halving we talk about the market going up, the crypto market. And but it's very important thing, we shouldn't forget about the possibility of a rejection. So after all, what if the SEC say that no approval? Okay, so keep that in mind, because if that's happening, probably the market will go down stronger. However, when we're looking at here, dates, there we have ARK 21 shares Bitcoin ETF, and their final deadline is the 10th of January. So now they're saying that until the 10th of January, this kind of should happen. And they're actually saying, many experts, that actually this week already, maybe on Friday, it can happen already. So yeah, now we're waiting for the news, actually waiting for this moment for a month. And now we are just a couple of days away from it. What's going to happen if they deny? Then I think simple. we're going to then move on. ARC will handle in another application, and the story just continues. The question is when, not that they doing it. Probably this is the way we're looking at, but this is the most likely scenario that it's going to happen in a couple of days. This is what the experts are actually saying for a long time. But will it? That could be interesting because, many times it happens that the market is saying one thing, everybody's hoping for one, it's 90% chance, and then the opposite happens. But it doesn't mean, it would shake Bitcoin fundamentally because it has nothing to do with the real Bitcoin. This is just a catalyst, and then it will be another thing. So maybe then just to push down the price, many of the investors can buy another amount of crypto, Bitcoin, and then it just starts to go up again. But in a couple of days, we're going to talk about it. And now everybody's saying it's more likely that it's going to happen. And actually, when we're looking at the stock market, then, we can see that in the what's that? Yeah, US trader companies such as crypto exchange like Coinbase. So all the crypto-related stock, software developer, MicroStrategy, Marathon Digital, mining firms, Riot, blockchain, and all these went up quite well in the pre-market trading. So yeah, crypto goes up, crypto-related stock is also going up. So the great start for 2024 for sure. And if you remember, 2023 started as well. Yeah. Okay, now let's move on to the next topic. The next topic I would like to talk about the three main catalysts for Bitcoin price and which will boost the crypto market as well in this year, 2024. So, well, it could be many others, but what we can see from where we are right now, I would pick three. So, number one is the already mentioned SEC decision when it comes to Bitcoin Spot ETF approval. And if that happens, the next one will be probably in this year also can come the very first Ethereum Spot ETF approval. So it could be great for, I don't think that any other are going to happen this year, but these two will be actually major already. Then we have the Bitcoin halving, and we have 112 days until the Bitcoin halving when the whole, block rewards for miners will be cut in half. So what they get now is 6.25 Bitcoin, and half of it will be after the halving. And usually this is a bullish case for Bitcoin, not straight after it. It doesn't mean it. But, a month coming after the halving, it's getting, the price is usually getting higher and higher. But now this whole thing is changed a little bit because now we have a pre-pump. And this is not that usual what we have right now. We are actually much higher at the moment with the Bitcoin price. What we thought we're going to be at the beginning of January before the halving. Some people said that even maybe around the halving, the price will be lower than it is now. And now we're already up to 45,000 and above. And the third thing, which is also very important, is the Fed rate cuts. They're going to cut the interest rate in this year, and the Fed going to pivot, which means more money printing. Always, if you follow what the Fed does, such when they announced in 2021 in November that they're going to increase the interest rate, the market turned. The same going to happen if they say now they decided already that there are going to be cuts coming in 2024. When exactly we're going to see it, but we can already see the change, the movement of the stock market as well. So it's already happening. And yeah, that's, I think, also very important. And the bonus one is the US election, because in the year of the election, they have to make a great move around the stock market because, you know, many people have their, you know, pension funds and all these kind of things, stock market. So if the stock market doing well, people are more happy, and that's a very important thing when it comes to US elections. So that's another market booster, which can boost the stock market, the liquid market, and crypto. Bitcoin is obviously part of it. So I think 2024 could be a great year. 2023 became a better year than I thought at the beginning of the year. I thought, yes, the price going to up higher than it was at the beginning of the year, but I didn't expect it. What actually happened, especially in the last quarter of 2023, that was very well done. Okay, and now the third news, the first bigger hack in crypto in this year has already happened. Okay, so here we go. We just started the year and there is a big hack. $80 million worth of crypto has been stolen. So cross-chain bridge project Orbit Chain was hit by a cyber attack on Monday, and with over 80 million US dollar drained from its bridge. And you know, stolen funds of total 26,741 ETH held across 5 addresses. And within just under $20 million worth of stablecoin DAI held in another 3 addresses. And actually, Orbit Chain said that the stolen funds remain unmoved. So now they investigate, obviously, what else they can do. And we're going to see how they're going to recover this whole situation. But yeah, this is crypto. So guys, this wasn't the last hack, maybe the first bigger hack in this year, but wasn't the last hack for sure. And we had a couple of in last year as well. This is part of crypto because it's a very new industry. You know, lots of development is happening, and part of this early stage, it's really that there are mistakes here and there, and the hackers many times ahead of some developers. And yeah, but this is how we can learn our lessons. But this is why we call crypto risky. Just one part of it, the hackers. But yeah, we kind of have to live with it. Guys, okay, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day you're getting fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom, just as you did back in 2020, 21, 22, last year, 23, and in now, 2024, I do continue. I'm making you everyday short videos, longer videos to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, then definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. Guys, see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.